paste it and put it over there, but apparently there are licensing issues, so they can't. I think they have to actually have it on a screen and then copy it by hand, because the lawyers said that's what they have to do. So we'll stick with mono for the time being. It's perfectly decent and it does run almost everything. And then we're going to get into command line tools, because this is Linux. This is where proper programmers live, who don't do everything with a mouse and the function keys. They get in there with black and white stuff, and then they get to feel superior at programmer parties. So the first command line tool is DNVM. And this is the .NET version manager, and I'll show you this. This is a brilliant thing, by the way. This is a pop-up console called Gwake, and it's called Gwake because it's actually named after the pop-up console from Quake, which is that's how we roll on Linux, you see. So if I say DNVM, I'll get the lovely ASCII art that they've done in the DNVM, and you can see that actually my .NET version manager is beta 6 because I installed this from the unstable branch. So beta 5 is coming out on Monday, which means that the current unstable version is beta 6. Don't use whatever the current unstable version is. So on Monday, when you go back to work and you say, oh, I'm doing stuff I've learned from NDC, and you format your hard disk, don't go, well, I'm going to get on the edge case stuff and I'm going to put beta 6 on, because you'll write code on beta 6 one day and push it to Git and then pull it down from Git the next day and restore the packages, and it'll all break because they'll have changed a namespace for some reason. Usually they make it longer. I don't know why. But yes, so the version manager is beta 6, but if I do DNVM list, you can see